position. 3, 2, 1, go! Wee-haw! And there you go! Another round of applause for our first two buddies! What a great dance number, and to the trainers as well! Okay, that is it for our workshop and a little sneak peek of our personal show. To keep you guys posted on our soon-to-be personal show, you can follow us on our socials as we do Ocean Park Official. Thank you everyone, and we will see you again. Goodbye! Thank you for visiting Cebu Ocean Park. And let's watch an extra session for Miles and Athena. Ready, set,